Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Gather a small flathead, Phillips, needle nose pliers, and a clean tray for parts. Lay the reel on a towel and position bright light above your workspace. Note gear orientation with a phone photo before removing any parts. Remove the anti-reverse clip by lifting gently with the flathead. Turn the spool knob 1/4 turn to access the screw beneath. Keep screws grouped by location in the tray. This prevents lost parts and makes reassembly simpler and faster than guessing. Remove the side plate screws and lift the side plate straight off. Gently pull the spool free and place it aside on the towel. Extract the centrifugal brake assembly carefully, watching for tiny springs and brake pins. Lift the pinion gear straight up and keep gear's meshed orientation noted in your photo. Slide out the main drive gear and then the worm gear, keeping their alignment intact. If a spring pops free, catch it immediately and place it in the labeled section of your tray. Clean parts with mild solvent and a toothbrush, then dry fully before lubricating. Inspect gears and pawls for wear and replace any chipped teeth immediately. Apply a pea-sized amount of reel oil to the main shaft and gears and use grease on gear teeth sparingly. Reassemble by reversing steps and use your reference photo to ensure correct orientation. Tighten screws hand firm only and test drag and spool rotation carefully. Perform a final check for noise and smoothness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.